Hi, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always appreciating my content. Today is a weekend and we know that kids have closed schools. Today I have a visitor. That's my son. He's short, he can't be seen, but he'll be seen later in the video. So today we are baking a lemon cake with my son, and I hope you will enjoy or learn something. I'm trying to teach him how to bake. I guess it's all about CBC. At the end of it, one day or the other, they're going to bake at school. So I hope you enjoy, you learn something. And thank you very much. And please remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share. I'm seeing people, yes, some people are watching, but they're not subscribing. Please subscribe, support our mom, and thank you very much. So come along with us. I'll write everything, the recipe in the description box, but I hope you enjoy the music as you watch. Ciao. So we are going to start. First, we have our ingredients all over. These are lemon zest, the peelings. We are going to use this. We have sugar, we have oil, eggs, the flour, 1 cup of milk, a tablespoon of baking powder, and still you're going to need the lemon juice. That's what my son will be doing. He'll be juicing the lemon juice, and we're going to use it when baking, and still when making the lemon icing, we'll still use the lemon juice. So let's start. He's still learning, so he's supposed to juice that as I mix the ingredients. I'm going to start with the wet ones. First, sugar and milk, sugar and oil, then the rest. I'm going to use the egg white, then I'll add the yolk, but I guess I'll beat the egg white first, then mix it here. So enough here. So I want to separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. I'm going to use a separator. So to separate the yolk from the egg whites, then I'm going to whisk. So I'm whisking or beating the egg whites. These are egg whites. Here are my egg whites. They're ready for me. I don't know if you can see. The camera can't focus, but they're ready for me. So let's mix the rest. The egg yolk and the sugar. Let's add the milk. It was 1 cup of milk. I'll add all of it. When baking, I start with the wet ingredients, then the dry ones. So we'll mix the flour. I'm supposed to use 2 cups of flour, 2 cups, and then I'll add the lemon zest. My son is already done, and we'll mix the lemon juice. That's 1 cup. I'm going first to fold it in, then I use the mixer. So exactly 2 cups. They're supposed to be flat, not lumpy. I'm folding in the flour. This is the 2nd cup. I've used 2 cups. 2 cups and a tablespoon of baking powder. I'll fold in, then I'll use the hand mixer after that. I've already filled in, but I've not used the mixer. I'll use a tablespoon of lemon juice, or a tablespoon and a half, or maybe a tablespoon and a half of lemon juice. Then I whisk. I think I'll let my son whisk and we see, because he's still learning. So come on, whisk, we see. Hold there, plus. So I guess it's okay. So I'm going to add the egg whites. That's egg white, and fold it in. I want to incorporate the egg whites completely. And still I'll add the lemon zest. And remember, we added the lemon juice, so that's lemon zest. We still fold it in. Yeah, and I hope our cake will be our cake will be great. So let me take the tin, we grease it, and we put it in the oven, right? Hi, so we are going to use this tin, and we're going to grease it. I'm using margarine, prestige, to grease it, and some flour. And a bit of flour. So let me spread it. I'll spread it using a serviette. I hope I won't leave particles. Just spread it to avoid the cake sticking. Just like that. And dust it. So my tin is all greased, and let's add our butter. Let me put this to avoid dripping. Let's add our butter. So this is our butter. Let's shake it to avoid bubbles, formation of bubbles. There it is. Then it's straight to the oven. We're going to bake for 180 degrees for 45 minutes, and we've already preheated our oven at 180 degrees. So see you at the oven. So it's already set. We are going to wait for 45 minutes. I guess by then it will be ready. That's it. 45 minutes, 180. Hi guys, so we're already done. Our cake is ready. You can see it, it's here. I want to prepare a lemon icing. Then we pour on top. Then we ice again using the icing sugar. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of milk. That was a tablespoon of milk and a tablespoon of lemon juice. I've squeezed a tablespoon. That. Then we add a tablespoon and a half. I'm using this big spoon. This one. Use that and a half. It's kind of lumpy, but let's see. I'm preparing it. That's how it looks. I think we'll add. Let me look for another dry spoon. Another dry spoon. I want to add the icing sugar. I'm using the icing sugar. And it's going to be enough, or we add more. But it's kind of foamy lumps. I'll add another tablespoon. So my mixture is ready. You can see the way it is. It is not runny and it is not that thick. So I'll just pour top. I'll pour half, and the other half we do icing sugar itself. I guess I'll pour using the spoon. To do all of it. I thought it would be enough, but I guess it's enough. That's a lemon icing. Lemon icing. So I still have my student here. So yeah, there we go. That's our lemon icing. So we'll do the icing sugar. My son will do the icing sugar on top. Then we're done. Okay? So he's still learning. So we'll just watch. So you're supposed to on top. Okay? So okay. All over the cake, okay?
Yes.
So at least he's trying, but he's supposed to do all of it. Now he's messing up. So that's how it's supposed to be. That's how, and our lemon cake is ready. So let's cut and taste it. I guess that's enough. I'm cutting so that my son can taste and tell us how it tastes. I'm not using a serrated knife because it's kind of blunt. I'm using the kawaida knife. So let's do this. See the way it is inside. So let him taste. That's how it looks. Let him taste and tell us. He's the taster, so you have to taste and tell us how it tastes. Hold.
Good.
How does it taste?
Yummy.
It's yummy. So what do you tell the people? They should do what?
Subscribe,
Mm-hmm.
share,
Mm-hmm.
and comment.
Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for keeping us company. Let him go enjoy the piece of lemon cake. Thank you so much for keeping us company. Thank you for watching till this far. I hope you've learned something, 1, 2, 3, how you're supposed to make a cake for your kids. Because right now kids are at home at least for 2.5 or 3 weeks, and they're going to enjoy because it's something you do once in a while. So thank you very much. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and don't forget to leave a comment. And also subscribe. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be the first one to know. You'll be notified. So thank you and ciao.